What's up guys, Terex Dada right here. Now, I've used audio interfaces in the past. I've used a Scarlett. I currently use a Presonus Audiobox 96 Studio, and I've also used the Behringer UM. All nice, all okay, all amazing, but what about the Producer 2.2, the Onyx Producer 2.2 by Mackie? Now, this is one that's been really interesting. It always goes under the radar, but in today's video, I'm gonna unbox this for you guys to see what comes with it, and then I'm gonna be using this, I'm gonna test it, and I'm gonna recommend it in the full review that's gonna come up shortly after this video. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to go down right there, hit the subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up because it's gonna help someone who's actually looking for a video like this, and also it's gonna help me to continue to get a lot more stuff like this. And also, big shout out to Mackie for sending this over for me to actually check out. Okay, it's been really amazing, real nice with Mackie so far. This is gonna be Mackie's summer. I'm gonna be testing a lot of Mackie stuff, and I'm gonna be doing reviews, I'm gonna be doing testing, I'm gonna be doing recommendations, I'm gonna compare Mackie products side by side, especially with microphones. I got speakers right there. Now, if there's absolutely something that you see that you really love and you want to pick up something by Mackie for yourself, I'm gonna leave affiliate links right down below. They have a whole bunch of stuff, they have a host of stuff, a lot more stuff that you can actually imagine for your home studio. It's gonna give you a real nice build, real nice quality, real nice everything. Okay, so go right down there and check it out, and I'm gonna unbox this, and we're gonna see what comes in this. So let's dive right straight into it. But while you're checking out Mackie, also check out J Black, okay, the elusive frames. These are my elusive frames. Now, a lot of people ask me about these a lot. Now, these are the blue lights, these are polarized lenses and all that kind of stuff. It's Italian steel, but you can also get sunglasses. You could also get prescribed glasses. It's not just one design, guys. I keep getting that question all the time. What about other designs? It's not just one design. There's a whole host of it, and I'm gonna leave a link right down below that's gonna take you to the website. You can actually check it out, and if you decide to pick one of these for yourself, I can actually give you a 10% discount using the code that's gonna be provided right down there below. So check it out. Now, without further ado, let's dive right straight into what we actually have for today.
Alright guys, so welcome again to this unboxing, and you can actually see that I do have the box right here, and we're just gonna get right into it real quick. Now, but first up, I want to show you something on the bottom of this. It says that this is the Onyx Producer 2.2. There's actually an Artist 1.2, which is I don't have right now, but it's a little bit turned out smaller version of this one. And also, if you look closely, you're gonna see that you can actually get Pro Tools with this directly in the box. Now, it's really amazing with what Mackie tries to do with giving you a recording software that actually comes with this, which I feel is a really nice touch. A lot of people do ask me in the comment section like how do I get my Artist on my Studio One version for artists for Presonus, and it's exactly how I got this, something like this there. And if you guys need a video on how to actually get that, then I'll be very happy to show you guys. Now we're just gonna dive right in and then see what we do have in the box right here. And the very first thing we're great with is a manual, as always, which I do always say that you guys should just, take a look at this in case there's something that you're actually missing. We do have the USB connector right here. As you can tell, this is actually a USB audio interface, so it's going to be really easy for you to just plug in. Now I'm just going to take this out and just show you what else that we do have here once we take all of this wrapping and stuff away from it. And there we have it, folks, right here. It looks really sleek and really nice. Now, from first impressions, I do like the design. It's really sleek and it's flat, and I kind of just like the way it just looks overall. Now, everything around the body just looks really, really nice. Okay, there's so much attention to detail here. The knobs and the swivels and everything feels really tactile, feels really good. Okay, now you have a bunch of inputs and outputs right here up on the back and also in front of it. And you do know that this can actually take in two inputs, so you can actually have your microphone and also your instruments right there inside, which is a really nice touch. You don't have to go about looking for something else for you to actually get your instruments in. I feel like that's really cool. And one last important feature here is the direct monitoring. So you do have that 48V phantom direct monitoring right here, which is going to be good for your sound quality and all of that. Now, with all that being said, I feel like that's about it then. So from first impressions, it feels really good and it looks really nice, and I'm going to be really happy to test this. Okay, I'm going to be testing this using also the EM91C, which is one of the Element series microphones from Mackie, which I also got with this, and I'm going to be using that and just testing it and just see how this actually works and performs. If you guys have anything in mind that you actually do want me to test specially, then just let me know in the comment section right down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also share it with someone who you know is really gonna appreciate it. With all that being said, I'll see you guys around.
Alright guys, so that's about it. Now I actually have singles that are coming up. I have mixtapes that are coming up. I'm gonna actually use this. Usually what I do is when I'm testing something, I test it with a mixtape. Then when I'm actually absolutely sure about it, I use it to make a single. Now, I'm gonna try to use this for my next single, but definitely I have a mixtape that I'm working on. I'm already working on it because this is already propped up somewhere. Oh my god. I just hit that, didn't I? That's actually a Mackie microphone actually. So it's already set up, it's connected to these, it's actually connected to everything that you see right down behind me. That's what's connected, that's what I'm using right now, okay? So you do get Pro Tools, as you can see, but I'm gonna stick with Studio One. I'm gonna mix and match it. Don't worry. In the full review, I'm gonna let you know what exactly it is that I did and how I did do the setup and what I did. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video. If there's something that you want me to test specifically about these, drop a comment right down below and let me know. Thank you guys, and I'll see you around. Stay safe.